Are you facing issues with Telegram calls on your PC after the recent update? Don't worry. You're not alone, and we're here to help. Let's go through some straightforward steps to fix the problem. First, check your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial for smooth calls. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or your Ethernet cable is plugged in properly. You can also try opening a web browser to see if other sites are loading. If your connection is solid, the next step is to close the app and then reopen it. Sometimes, a simple restart of the application can resolve minor glitches. If that doesn't work, try logging out of Telegram desktop and logging back in. This can refresh your account settings and rectify any temporary issues. Another effective solution is to restart your device. We recommend turning it off completely, waiting for about 30 seconds, and then turning it back on. This can clear out any lingering problems that may be affecting your call features. Still having trouble? Try connecting to a different network or using mobile data if possible. Sometimes the issue could be with your current network setup, and switching to another connection can make a difference. Lastly, if you've tried all these steps and still can't make calls, it might be time to contact Telegram support. They're equipped to handle more complex issues and can offer assistance tailored to your situation. By following these steps, you should be back to chatting on Telegram calls in no time. Thank you for watching, and happy calling.